Yeah, what's up guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about a project that I believe we should get into this year, and I'm going to be giving you reasons why I am getting into this project and why you might also want to consider this project. If you're new to this channel, please give us a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe and help us grow this channel to 3,000 subscribers. And yeah, let's head to the video. Before we head to the video, I want to show you guys my dashboard. I just activated this account like few hours ago, I think 2 hours ago or so, and guys, I'm already printing money. I'm already printing this token, okay, which I can actually claim right now, but nah, I'm not going to claim it now. So the reason why I'm showing you this is just to let you understand that I don't tell you to buy something that I'm not buying. I'm only telling you to buy because I'm buying. Alright, there's nothing I promote that has free bonus or whatever. I am also buying it, and in this account I actually funded it with $100 and activated the account. So let's head over to the reason why we are here today. Another video is going to pop up somewhere right here, which is going to be a full presentation on how the networking part and the staking part and every other thing, the bonuses and whatever works. And the good thing about this project is that it is for everybody. It is whether you have a team, whether you have a referral or not, you can just buy the token, just stake it, and watch it grow, claim it whenever you want to claim, and whole rest of them. Now if you want to know how the staking works, percentage, the duration and everything, they are going to be available in that presentation video, right? And there's no minimum, so even if you want to buy $50 worth of the coin, $40, you can still buy. All right, not that the minimum is $100, but the only thing is, if you want to benefit from networking, then I think you have to use at least $100 worth of buy $100 worth of the token. All right, how you can do that, how to fund your account, I'm also going to be uploading the video right here as well. So let's review the project. Now the first thing we want to look at is the company that is behind the project itself, which is the EVULUS company. Now I want to use the term EVU so that it will sound easy, and I won't bite my tongue, right? So they're actually a company that has been in existence for some time. It is not a new company. The company itself is not new, but the product, which is what we are now talking about right now, which is the staking and the crypto project itself, the token, the staking, the networking part of it, is actually got launched 2 months ago. The token itself got launched somewhere around 2022, okay, I think the second quarter of 2022, but the staking itself and the networking part itself, which is the opportunity we're talking about today now, got launched 2 months ago. As at the time of recording this video, today is the first day of January 2023. So it technically is a new project, but the people behind it and the company behind it is not a new company. So we are not dealing with some newbies, we're not dealing with some high school guys who just want to build a project to make money. So this is actually, we are investing into a roadmap of a company. Now for us to confirm that this company has been around for some time, what we need to do is that we need to scan this website to actually know when it went live. So what we'll go to this website called whois.com. This is where you get to know when people, some of these projects are lying, okay, of their existence. So just click right here, then it's going to give us the full information about this website. Now as you can see right here, it says registered 2018. Now if you go back to the main website, as you can see right here, so the company itself, all right, which is the EVU company or EVULUS company, they've been in existence, okay. There is more, what we are seeing right now is more like a roadmap. We are buying into the roadmap. So that is just it. Just as you can see right here, these are some of the things that they've achieved and some of the things that are still going to build. Okay, the exchange is upcoming. I think that is currently under development. They are going to have a streaming platform. The staking, which just got launched 2 months ago, which is what we're talking about right now. The EVU token got launched last year. The academy was one of the things they started with. Okay, so this is a company that is credible. They know what they are doing. They have a very strong team behind them. Okay, so we are not just bashing into some pump and dump whatever. All right, it's actually a Spanish. I think it's a Spanish team that owns the company. So this right here are most of the products and the roadmap, and yeah, that is it. I think if you go to the About Us page, yeah, you get to see a whole lot of things that they're actually into, except the staking, which we are talking about right here. So let's move on. Now, one other thing I also want us to look at is their social handle, and I'll be talking about their Twitter handle. Now, Twitter handle still have a growing audience, which is actually okay. As you can see, they joined 2021. So like I told you, this is a project that know what they are doing, right? So right here is some of the posts they are making, and the rest of them. They are following some people, so they have an active social handle. This is December post pin, this 27th, just a couple of days ago, and yeah, that is it. Now I also want to talk about the product itself, which is the staking, which, well, if you want to know more about the staking, you watch the presentation video to know more about that. Now, another thing I want to review is the token itself. Now, if you go to CoinMarketCap, this is the token right here. Okay, guys, we all know this is the bear market. Everything is down. You know, Bitcoin itself is going down, or is down, not going down, or is down. All right, BNB, Polygon, everything. That's the reality of the bear market. Okay, so one thing I also want us to look at in the token right here is this. Now, you might be wondering what actually happened right here. As you can see, around January, the token went live, though that was not when the staking launched. Okay, the token went live, and we saw this. What normally happens here is that people who bought into the ICO, okay, the pre-sale, private investors and stuff like that, they will always want to sell and take their profits. It happens. We saw that in other projects we talked about, where the whole thing went 10x during launch. People need to sell, you know, have some profit, then to come back, then it starts stabilizing. So if you watch after initial investors sold off, which is actually very cool, because this is where we are getting into this project, so we are not at that risk of a sharp dump in the price. Okay, it's actually another good technique, because here what we are looking at here is for the price to push up and not for the price to go down, as we saw right here. So if you look at this place, since May this year, the price has been a little bit stable, okay, ranging between this area right here. So there has not been any sharp dump, which simply means that the project is actually stable. All right, the project is actually stable. Now we also want to look into where the coin is listed. Now you can buy it on PancakeSwap and the whole rest of them, or Probit as well. You can buy them here, send it to your dashboard right here, and stake for 150% APY, which I would prefer, because number one, this is going to help you to hold the token. It's going to encourage you to hold the token, and it's also going to help you to double that token. It's not even more than double it. Like you 150 is more than 100%, right? So you have a lot of that token over the initial amount you have within an expanse of 1 year. Okay, and remember, you can always unstake after 3 months if you want to unstake. You pay some fees, but for me, I'm not just thinking, I'm holding all these projects till the bull run. Okay, I can be claiming some of them, you know, along the line, you know, take care of myself and stuff like that. But for the ones I'm going to be staking, they're just going to be there for the whole bear market onto the bull run. Okay, because the project is huge. So the token is actually doing very well. If you look at the trade volume right here, is okay. The market cap 2.3 million. This is where it gets interesting, because this is a market cap that can easily go 10x from where we are right now, and the supply is very small. The current speculative supply is 25 million, total supply and maximum supply is 42 million. They can't print more tokens. If they can print more tokens, you will see the notification somewhere here. So basically and technically, this is the highest amount of token that can go into circulation within the amount of years coming. Okay, so guys, that is about the token. Still very okay. I actually got in when it was 0.91, so I'm already up by, I think, some percentage as well. Now, so you might want to get in early. Another thing you also need to pay attention is that if it's possible for the price to rise to I think, is it $1? Okay, roughly $1 right here, then it simply means that once the market starts picking up, everything starts picking up, it is going to go back to this $1. It's very possible. So whatever amount you invest right now, it's very possible for you to get 10x of that amount. It's very possible. So don't sleep on this. Okay, then let's talk about the utility. Now, when it comes to utility, though there are hints or promises by the team that they're going to have their own blockchain in the future, as you get to find out in the presentation video, but before that, okay, there are also going to be some utilities. They're going to have their own payment system. They're going to have their own exchange, which is going to be a centralized exchange. Like we have the Binance Arrest, but it might not be as big as Binance, yeah, but you know, it follows that same concept of a centralized exchange. Okay, and fees are going to be paid on that exchange, and you know, a whole lot of them. Payment systems are going to use that token as the payment fees, and the whole rest of them, you know, a whole lot of things. Now, another good utility that they recently launched, I think few days ago, is actually this one, which is very cool right here. I just love this one. This is actually an app the team created. Okay, you can find this app on Play Store right here. You can also find it on App Store. Now, what this app is all about is that is a kind of a decentralized market, or a marketplace whereby people sell stuff. Okay, you can find the nearest person, closest person to you in your area who wants to sell stuff with crypto. Okay, so you can pay for that item through this app or this marketplace with crypto. And the good thing is that the crypto that is going to be supported is going to support the, I don't know if you can see this right here. This is Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, then the EVU token. So if this project or this marketplace too becomes popular, currently there's no English version of it. I think it's the Spanish version of it, so you might not be able to use it now in our area, but you know, it just came out new, so they are still developing. They're still working on the English version and stuff like that. So definitely it's still going to make some sense, okay, or make sense. So if this becomes live and becomes widely used, it simply means that it's going to increase the demand of the EVU token. So this is also an added utility as well, with many other things that are going to come up in the future. So this, guys, are some of the things that I saw that made me to buy into this project. And guys, like I said, I'm going to be stacking more of this staking. Would I call this staking hub now? Or I'm going to be buying more of this coin and staking them right here, because I see a great future here. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I take risk, and if you want to take risk with me, that is cool. Alright, so guys, if you find value in our videos, if you find value in what we share in our community, please subscribe. This year is going to be the year we fly. So keep doing what you're doing and keep doing it well, and stay blessed. Bye bye.